now.
Okay, so hey everyone, this is R.L. Osborne. I'm cleaning a cotton sofa here right now. It's got a good amount of soil on it right here. You can see the before right over here and the clean lines. And then you have the after where I've already cleaned right down here. What I'm doing is I'm pre-spraying right along here, and that breaks up the soil. And then I'm using this upholstery tool. As you can see, the wave, the water right there, it doesn't drip, so nothing goes on the floor around it. It stays right inside of it. It keeps the upholstery very, very dry, but it does a great job on cleaning and rinsing. But again, dry times, this sofa will be dry by the time I finish cleaning the carpets in there, and then she'll be able to use it as soon as I'm done here today. So anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick exhibition on how upholstery cleaning goes. And of course, cotton upholstery, synthetic upholstery, and just all the different types of fabrics that are out there. There's different solutions and different temperatures for every different type of upholstery or every different type of fabric that I clean. Anyways, thanks for coming.